scaffold platform, and guardrail system. Solid sawn wood planks shall be of solid sawn timber and may be either 2 times 10-inch nominal, 2 times 9-inch rough, 38 mums 225 basic, or 50 mums 225 basic. If the front edge of a working platform is less than 360 millimeters 14 inches from the face of the wall or structure, guardrails do not need to be erected along that edge. However, falling object protection shall be provided by covering the gap with planks or by using toe boards, nets, barricades, etc. Every scaffold platform shall be closed planked or decked as fully as possible between the guardrails. The maximum span distance between bearers or board bearers for solid sawn wood planks and laminated veneer lumber LVL planks with a thickness of 38 millimeters 112 inches shall not exceed 1.5 meters 5 feet, unless the manufacturer's identification mark is clearly visible on each plank. Planks shall be secured at both ends to prevent vertical and horizontal movement by using fiber rope or wire lashing, clamped toe boards, or other equivalent means. This is especially important for planks less than 1.8 meters 6 feet long. Ends of planks shall not extend more than 300 millimeters 12 inches beyond the center line of their end support bearer transom. Plank overlaps shall occur only over supports, that is, bearers or board bearers. Planks lap length shall not be less than 300 millimeters 12 inches. Planks shall not be nailed together. Each platform unit shall be installed so that gaps between platform units are less than 25 millimeters 1 inch wide. Wood toe boards shall be at least 25 millimeters 1 inch thick. Toe boards shall be securely fastened in place along the outermost edge of the platform and have not more than 6 millimeters 1/4 inch clearance above the working surface. Toe boards shall be solid and capable of withstanding, without failure, a force of at least 23 kilograms 50 pounds in any downward or horizontal direction at any point along the toe board. Guardrail support uprights shall be constructed to such that the toe rail is at least 0.95 meter 38 inches and not more than 1.15 meters 45 inches above the walking surface.